everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Isibaya from the 28th to the 2nd of October 2020 on Monday. The Ngwenya suffers a shocking blow that makes everyone realize how dangerous Ken is. Mkabayi is in a terrible distress about Thokozani. Melosi meets the gorgeous Londiwo on Tuesday. Mpiyake is looking forward to Thokozani's umemulo, unaware of the drama in Protea. Thokozani reminds us that she is a Zungu child. Iris creates ripples with her arrival at Kwamanzini on Wednesday. Phumelele wants to be at her daughter's umemulo in Kwamanzini but is worried about Mpiyake. Mkabayi and Kapela have a revenge in their hearts on Thursday. Mbobo tells Iris the truth and she makes a deadly declaration. Mkabayi makes a surprising offer to the homeless Ngwenyas while Lillian seeks revenge on Friday. Melusi adds fuel to an already dangerous fire. Iris reaches out for help from an unexpected source. Sbu and Caesar draw closer and Mickey betrays Caesar. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.